Hello everyone, good morning, afternoon or evening depending upon the time and time zone you are watching this video from. I'm Uncodemy, academic faculty, Department of Data Science, Uncodemy group. So guys, आज के वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे how to change data structures. As we all are very well aware, there are majority of 4 data structures in Python. The first one is tuples. Tuples are immutable. Then we have list are enclosed with square braces and are mutable in nature. That means you can add, remove, edit any element in the list. Now the third type of data structure is set. What sets exactly are and how they are different? So they are enclosed by the curly braces, and they have these two functions, built-in functions. They contain non-duplicate values and they do ordering by default. So by default it will convert all the data into an ascending order. Now the fourth type of and very unique data structure we have is dictionary. We will see how, and dictionary contains data in key value pair. In this video we will see that how can I change the elements or the data from one data structure to another data structure. So let's first create tuple. I'll name this variable tuple1 and I'll add certain elements 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. Consider these much elements are enough. So I'll just run this cell. Once this cell is run, I would try to call this variable, and over here it will print the entire tuple that we have just created. And if I want to show you guys about the data type, so I'll just type type of tuple1. Now it will say tuple. See, so now the very first thing that I'm gonna do is I'll convert all these elements, all the data into lists. So how can I do that? I'll create a variable list1, and now list1 would be what? List of tuple1. It's that easy. Now if I'll print list1, see, all the elements will be there, but they are in a list structure. As initially it was enclosed with the curly round braces, but now they are enclosed with square braces. If I want to make you show you guys about the data structure, then type of list1, now it will print list. Initially it was tuple, now it is list. So the other thing that I would do is I will create a set out of this tuple, or let us say I'll create a set out of this list. So I'll name a variable set1 is equal to set of what? Set of tuple1 or list1. I can type anything. Let me type tuple1. So it will create a set of all the elements that are now converted into set1 variable. So if I'll print set1, you see it's enclosed with the curly braces and ordering is done by default. Initially it was already ordered, but let us consider that if I do not have the elements in an order, then in set1 it will do ordering by default, and it only contains non-duplicated values. So any value that is getting repeated times and again, it will hold that particular value only once. So now let me create another tuple. I'll create tuple2 and I'll say a comma 2, then I would say b comma 4, then I would say c comma 6. Let us consider this is another type of tuple that I have just created, and I want to create a dictionary out of tuple. So dictionary are what? The unique type of data structure. They contain values in key value pair. So let's check how I can create. I'll say dict1 is equal to dict of what? tuple1. Now over here we have there's something wrong. Okay, sorry, tuple2. The variable name I missed it. So the variable name now is tuple2 and dictionary update sequence element 0, 3,2 is required. Okay, I'm sorry about it as well. So key are ABC, values are 2, 4, 6. Now I will run this cell once again, and now if I run this once again, so now it's been converted. if you guys want me to show you the dictionary, so they are enclosed with curly braces and values are in key value pairs. So see, it's key, it's value, it's key and then value, key and then value. So this is how I can convert all the data structures between each other. Similarly, we can create a tuple out of this set, we can create a set out of this list. So this was how we can easily change the data structures in Python. This approach is going to be very useful in your data pre-processing step, wherein we are majorly talking about the data wrangling, data cleaning. At times we need to change the format of the data. So if you guys have any doubt, please flood this comment section. And if you guys want to receive a free demo session or a free career counseling session, please contact at the contact number that are provided at the end of this video. Stay tuned guys. Anshul Gautam signing off. May God bless you all.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number.